So you want to make money in freelance logo design services? Well, you've come to the right place because today I'm going to share some tips and strategies to help you succeed in the competitive world of logo design. Whether you're just starting out or looking to take your freelance business to the next level, there's something here for everyone. So let's dive in. First and foremost, you need to have a strong portfolio. Your portfolio is what potential clients will use to evaluate your skills and determine if you're the right person for the job. Make sure your portfolio showcases a diverse range of logo designs that demonstrate your creativity, technical skills, and ability to solve design challenges. Consider including both conceptual designs and real-world examples to show that you can adapt your style to different industries and client preferences. Now, let's talk about pricing. Determining your rates can be tricky, especially when you're starting out. It's important to strike a balance between being competitive and valuing your time and expertise. Do some research to find out what other freelance logo designers are charging, and consider factors such as your level of experience, the complexity of the project, and the client's budget. Don't undersell yourself, but also be realistic about your skill level and the value you can deliver. Next, you need to find clients. One effective strategy is to leverage online platforms and marketplaces dedicated to freelance work, such as Upwork, Fiverr, and Freelancer. These platforms provide a great way to showcase your skills, connect with potential clients, and build your reputation as a logo designer. Create a compelling profile that showcases your expertise and attracts attention. Be proactive in bidding on relevant projects, but make sure to tailor your proposals to each client's specific needs. Personalize your pitches and demonstrate that you understand their brand and industry. Networking is also key in the freelance world. Attend industry events, join design communities, and connect with other professionals both online and offline. Building relationships with fellow designers, marketers, and entrepreneurs can lead to referrals and collaborations that could help you grow your client base. Be active on social media platforms frequented by your target audience and engage with potential clients by sharing valuable content, participating in discussions, and showcasing your work. Remember, word of mouth is a powerful tool, so make sure you leave a lasting impression on everyone you encounter. Now, let's talk about the importance of communication and collaboration. Effective and timely communication is crucial when working with clients. Make sure you fully understand their vision, objectives, and expectations before starting a project. Ask questions, provide updates, and seek feedback at every stage to ensure that you are aligning your work with their needs. Be open to revisions and willing to go the extra mile to deliver a logo that truly represents their brand. Your ability to communicate and collaborate effectively will not only result in happier clients but also in repeat business and referrals. Another tip for success is to stay up to date with industry trends and design software. As a logo designer, it's important to understand current design trends and best practices. This will help you create logos that are modern, relevant, and visually appealing. Additionally, staying proficient in popular design software such as Adobe Illustrator and Photoshop will give you a competitive edge and allow you to work efficiently. Take advantage of online tutorials, workshops, and design communities to learn new techniques and expand your skill set. Finally, never stop learning and improving your craft. Design is a dynamic field that requires constant growth and adaptation. Stay curious and seek inspiration from various sources such as books, blogs, and design magazines. Follow influential designers and study their work to broaden your creative horizons. Experiment with different styles and techniques to keep your designs fresh and innovative. Remember, the more you invest in your own professional development, the more valuable your services will become. So there you have it, a roadmap to success in the world of freelance logo design. Remember, building a successful freelance business takes time, effort, and dedication. Be patient, persistent, and always strive for excellence. With the right mindset, skills, and strategies, you can make money and thrive in this exciting industry. Good luck!